If these floors could talk, imagine the stories they'd tell. Stories of good days gone by, polished by the jammy-clad knees of children learning to crawl and walk and run and eat cereal without spilling. Much. Stories of mums and dads pacing these floors night after night, singing softly and patting the backs of babies with frights, fears or fevers. Tales of business and industry, pioneering generations who have seen typewriters give way to computers, snail mail to email, couriers to the cloud, rows of grey metal desks to cubes and open plans. Listen closely, and you may even hear the squeak of sneakers on a basketball court. Stories of knowledge brought to life. Timeless celebrations of art and artifacts. The grace of magic, of creative expression. And the everyday, passionate miracles that bring us healing, hope, and joy. Echoes of the vintage past. Promises for the future. Unlimited possibilities that only arise when someone cares enough to use the very best. We'd hear it all if these floors could talk. Because for 100 years, the men and women who craft these floors have put their trust in Bona. Innovative and sustainable solutions for every wooden floor challenge, from installation and renovation to maintenance and care. And now, as we move into our next 100 years, Bona is building on this proud heritage with a constant drive to provide new methods, materials, and products ranging from new areas of your home and business to the hallways, classrooms, and boardrooms that are a part of your life and the things you love. Bona, creating beautiful floors to bring happiness to people's lives and all of the wonderful stories they tell.